Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sudakshina and I am the Training Center Coordinator of Chettinad Skills and Simulation Center, and we are kind of coming to the end of our instructor course, which is American Heart Association accredited and being live monitored by AHA, and we are ending the instructor course today, and we are finishing up with the ACLS instructor course today, and we have a participant over here, and he's Dr. Praveen. He has come down from a long distance. He's actually from Delhi, and he is working at present at Sri Ramachandra Medical College, Porur, and at the emergency medicine department, and I want him to say a few words about our center and the course. Over to you, Praveen.
Yeah, so I'm Dr. Praveen. So I'm right now working at Ramachandra as final year MD emergency medicine resident. So something about the center, I came in, this is my first time I'm visiting it for the course. So one thing which I observed is it's quite a spacious center. Everything is very well maintained and hygienic, and cleaning and everything is well taken care of. There is a staff beginning from the entrance to the door until the time you reach to your classroom. There will be people who are standing there on the gate and wishing you well and wishing you good morning and everything else. They are very supportive in directions and all, so that you don't feel that you are anywhere being misguided or you are not getting to the place where you want to be. The second thing is going to the technical aspect, what I have seen throughout my professional career and all. The center is really good. I was just looking around through the mannequins and everything else. So everything is at par of what you need to make a level 1 skill center for any medicos, whether it is at UG level or postgraduate level. Then for the technical part also, the technical support is really good, whether it is the audio visual or whether it is the projection on Zoom calls with the international AHA faculty or anything. So that's also great. Usually there are many technical errors happening at many of the centers, but it's a really good internet connectivity and everything else is there. So in pros goes to that, and beyond that, I think humans are what inspire humans, and like what I would like to admire about ma'am per se and the instructors, other instructors also, is that they have taken a really good leadership role over here, because the thing which is at the smallest grassroots level, to reach down to that level and to manage them and to inspire your employees to give their best so that whatever participant is coming in through the door receive the maximum benefit for whatever course they have enrolled. I think it works tremendously well under good leadership like ma'am.
Well, thank you so much, Praveen, for the wonderful words. So what about this course as such? How was the instructor course you felt?
Yeah, so the instructor course per se was great. So the thing
is... It was interactive?
Yeah, it was interactive, and it's as of now the only course which is happening in Chennai. So to get an approval to get it done, it's like big congratulations from my side to ma'am as an Incharge.
Yes, we worked very hard for it. It's a lot of effort involved. So, yes, we got it approved from AHA India to conduct it over here at this esteemed Chettinad Skills and Simulation Center. Yes, please Praveen, you can talk.
So this is a good achievement for them. Second on, the thing is the level of professionalism and the courtesy which they exhibit during the course, that's tremendous. So the ethics, the level with which they commit themselves to teach the course. Because over time, once you have taught a certain amount of courses, and like ma'am is experienced in nearly 2 decades in this part of the field, so over a time people become complacent with the way they teach, and they'll be like, okay, we'll do it, okay, let it be the way. But I'm surprised with the amount of energy that ma'am carries and the other instructor carries, and they are like as enthusiastic as if they are teaching their first course after doing their instructor and everything else. So I'd like to really congratulate ma'am and all the other faculties for being so enthusiastically involved, their level of professionalism, their level of support, and moreover than the technicalities and all, because that's why I truly believe that AHA has trained them really well. So instead of commenting, I feel that instead of commenting on their professional capability, what I'll say is the level of welcoming ambience that they have created in the center per se for this particular course. So that is something which motivates and opens up the students to come and be actively participating in every sort of an activity which is ongoing.
Yes. So that is the main motive, and thank you so much for all these words. It was wonderful. It will only motivate us more, Praveen, to do much better work. I think this is just the beginning. Let's wait and watch where does CSSC land. Okay, that is very important. We have to keep up this good work and with the same energy level, and really motivate us to do it every day. We have to get up and motivate us so that we conduct every course with the same energy level and make all the participants very happy that definitely they are coming from so far and they are doing this course, right? So we should do justice to all. That is very important. So thank you so much. Anything more you want to add?
So I think best wishes to ma'am and center, and
Thank you.
For anybody who is looking forward to any AHA course being done over here, I definitely like to advocate for it, because I have seen it through and through, being through my professional career and all, being a AACLS provider also. So per se it is at par to being a level 1 skill simulation center, and the level of professionalism which the instructor are following is really great. So if you are in an ambiguous mindset, do definitely come. If you are getting an opportunity to do it over here, come do your course, get your card, provider cards or instructor cards later on maybe, and it will be a good beginning and a positive boost for you. And like as ma'am has told us, like how even they follow the candidates post the course is completed. So you can be in touch with them, you can ask them anytime. If you have a query, you can drop a message or you can call them very directly. So even the post course part follow up also is something which I felt is a very huge plus point for this particular center, and what ma'am has really taken care of as a lead coordinator for this center. So I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you.